KidloLand.
The Fruit Fight. It's a bright new morning. The fruit friends are set to begin another fruity day. Mr. Orange yawns and stretches.
What a fine day to be the best fruit in the fruit bowl!
That is not true. I'm the best fruit.
Looks like Mr. Orange has put Miss Apple in a bad mood.
I have far more vitamin C than any of you!
Says Mr. Orange.
Not true. I have more vitamin C for my size.
Miss Strawberry shouts angrily. Yeah! Stop getting your peel in a twist! Mr. Banana laughs until he snorts.
Quiet! A variety of fruits make up a balanced diet. You're all equally important.
Yells Mrs. Plum.
Well then, we fought for no reason at all!
Says Mr. Orange as all of the fruits have a good laugh.